We're very proud of the school. We're very proud of our community. So we are very, very thankful today for Gift of the Givers and the ISUZU Foundation for what they've been able to do.
Today it's an important day for us because we are handing over some gifts to the children who were affected by the floods in Komani area. And that's where ISUZU, as well as ISUZU Foundation and Gift of the Givers, are now stepping in to actually hand over school uniforms to these kids, stationery from the employees of ISUZU, and we are also handing over some furniture items to the school.
Without education, you cannot step boldly into your future. The reality is that the only way we break the cycle of poverty is by ensuring that every child is educated to their best ability.
Yes, it was difficult for the kids, particularly you see some of them were not having a uniform, and that tends to embarrass kids without uniform, meanwhile others are wearing uniform. You see, some were not having books, but now since we are going to deliver these items to us, at least their lives will change completely.
Most of us are less fortunate, so most of us can't afford the school bags and stationery, so I think it could really make a difference. It makes me feel really joyful.
It's important to invest in education because education is the future. Now you come here to say you also value, you also understand how important it is. So you join hands with us so that these learners can have a bright future.